What's going on, you guys? Bryce McKinley, Coach Sharpen. You know what time it is. In this video, I'm going to show you the 3 most common mistakes that everyone makes when cold calling. And by the end of this video, if you implement these 3 things, you'll have better conversations and more opportunities to close deal. And make sure that you stick around to the very end, because I'm going to give you my one tool, my secret sauce to closing more deals with larger profits every single time.
If you don't know Bryce, he's crushing it. He's doing over 50 wholesale deals a month.
What's going on, you guys? Bryce McKinley, Coach Sharpen. You know what time it is. I want to talk to you today about the 3 things your guru won't tell you about cold calling. Number 1, list versus leads. List versus leads, it sounds pretty common, right? Your guru's probably told you, hey, go pull a lead list and da-da-da-da-da, right? No. There's a big difference between leads and lists. You see, leads are actually reaching out to you. They're responding to your message. Lists, however, are just a series or gathered information and data that you have to scrape and then actually reach out to, whether you're sending direct mail, or sending text messages, ringless voicemails, or simply cold calling. And that's why it's called cold, because those people on the other end of your list, they don't have a clue. Number 2, it's the structure of your call. You see, every one of you have probably watched another YouTube video out there that said, start out your call with, hey, I'm sorry to bother you. Or, hey, did I catch you with a few minutes to talk to you? Or, hey, do you have 15 seconds to talk about your house at 123 Main Street? That's right, I did it, the puke sound. Put a puke emoji down in the comment section so that way I know you're paying attention. You see, at the end of the day, when it comes to reaching out and having a conversation with someone, you should be coming from a place of servitude. You can never truly solve someone's problem without adding value to their time, their family, or their money. And so when it comes to your second thing, actually have a conversation with folks. Figure out what they're for, their family, their occupation, their recreation. And when you do that, you actually will have a better conversation and it won't feel scripted and you won't have to apologize for actually solving their problems. Third, last but surely not least, ask better questions. That's right, ask better questions. How do you do that, Bryce? You might be wondering, how do you ask better questions? At the end of the day, ask a question about the last statement that was given to you. So, for example, how much can you offer for your house or for my house? I don't know, Bob. I'm going to need some more information. So why don't you tell me about the house? When was the last time you had the roof looked at? Or maybe it's, gosh, I could definitely make an offer, but I'd like to get more information. When was the last time you did any updates or upgrades to the property? Or what I like to use, and this is the secret sauce, is the rack. Repeat, assign a feeling or emotion, and then ask a question. So maybe Bob says, hey, how much can you offer for my house? Gosh, how much can I offer for your house? That sounds exciting. As much as I possibly can, because you want to get as much as you possibly can, Bob. I'm curious, how long have you been thinking about shopping this deal? Notice the word track. Go back and rewind that for a second. Repeat, assign a feeling or emotion, and then ask a question. At the end of the day, it's all about having a better conversation, and you do that by listening more than you talk and asking better questions. God bless, stay sharp. I'll see you at the top. Hey guys, Bryce McKinley here, Coach Sharpen. You know what time it is. I want to personally thank you for watching these videos. You see, you might want to subscribe to this channel, and I'm not just saying that to get more followers, but the knowledge that I drop, I guarantee you won't get anywhere else. You see, the information that I give is not just the fluff that every other puru, screw and guru talks about. You might want to stay alert for what's happening next. So subscribe, hit the notification bell to keep you posted. You're not going to want to miss what I drop on this channel.
Every single day. Every single day. every